that Jesus loves every single one of us. He is stronger than us. He cares so much about us. And camp is not all about the swimming, the lunch, snacks. It's mostly about learning about Jesus because he died on the cross for us.
That you should pray to God and trust Him, and if you you should always trust Him no matter what. Even if something bad's gonna happen, He's gonna make something good happen in the future.
God's worked in my campers in so many ways. But one of my favorite personally is how eager they all are to pray at the end of our word sessions. They really love to just like connect with God and to pay attention during word.
Through these day campers, just their childlike faith, and of course their kids, but it's just been really cool to see how like they take these concepts of just like faith or like what it means to fear the Lord or things like that and just like really take it to heart and believe it.
I've really seen my day campers work through servanthood and serving to other friends and even other counselors or other groups. They're really servant-hearted sometimes, and they always love working the best they can be and always love serving each other and being really great friends to each other.